that your little boyfriend? Mm-hmm. You like Napoleon too? What's going on there? Oh, Belle, you like Napoleon. Hi there, Banksy.